preventing costly system failures and enhancing system reliability. Furthermore, the solution enabled the maintenance team to operate more efficiently. Instead of spending time on routine inspections, the team could focus on areas identified by the AI as potential issues. This proactive approach ensured that potential problems were addressed before they could escalate into full-blown system failures. The integration of AI-powered predictive maintenance in System X resulted in a significant reduction in downtime. It also led to an increase in the overall lifespan of the system, as timely maintenance prevented undue wear and tear. Most importantly, it increased the reliability of the system, ensuring that it was always ready for deployment. This case study clearly illustrates the immense value that AI-powered predictive maintenance brings to the table in missile system management. It's not just about preventing failures, but also about optimizing operations and extending the lifespan of the system. All these benefits make AI-powered predictive maintenance an essential tool in modern missile system management. So what are the key points to remember about AI-powered predictive maintenance in missile systems? Firstly, predictive maintenance is crucial in missile systems. It allows us to foresee potential issues and address them proactively, thereby enhancing system reliability and ensuring maximum uptime. Secondly, the introduction of artificial intelligence into predictive maintenance has brought about significant improvements. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from various sensors, identify patterns, and predict possible failures more accurately and faster than human analysts. This not only reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns, but also extends the lifespan of the missile systems. Lastly, our case study highlighted the transformative impact of AI-powered predictive maintenance. It demonstrated how these systems can reduce maintenance costs, increase operational efficiency, and ultimately improve national security. In essence, AI-powered predictive maintenance revolutionizes missile system operations by enhancing reliability, reducing costs, and ensuring maximum system uptime.